In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram not posting 20 photos. If you're trying to upload a big carousel and Instagram caps you at fewer images, it usually comes down to updates, account refreshes, or the way the feature is rolling out. Let's walk through the fixes in a calm, clear order. First, update the Instagram app to the latest version from your App Store. Open your App Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if you see it. New posting limits and features often only work on the newest build, so this alone can solve the problem. Next, log out of your Instagram account and log back in. This refreshes your account configuration on the server and can pull in new feature flags tied to your profile. From your profile, open settings, scroll to log out, confirm, then sign back in with your usual credentials. If the feature still isn't showing up, give it time. Instagram often rolls out changes gradually by region and by account. That means some people see the 20 photo option before others, and it can take a few days to appear for you even if your app is up to date. Also, make sure you're creating the right type of post. The expanded limit applies to carousel posts. Tap the plus icon to create a new post, then choose the option to select multiple items. Pick your photos or videos in order, then proceed to edit and publish. If you only choose a single image, you won't see the carousel options. To prevent glitches from old data, clear the app cache. On many Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps, find Instagram, open storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your login or your content, which can help the app load the latest features correctly. After that, restart your device. A full reboot closes background processes and gives the app a fresh start, which can resolve stubborn posting issues. Finally, understand the current limit. Until Instagram fully activates the 20 photo carousel for your specific account, the maximum remains 10. Some users report the feature appearing and then disappearing, which suggests Instagram is testing it on select accounts. If you've updated, refreshed, cleared cache, and restarted, the remaining step is patience while the rollout completes. And that's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next